On New Year's morning, Santa Claus woke up from a sweet sleep. The world was preparing for a new day. Santa Claus smiled. It was a very special day. First, Santa gently climbed out of his warm bed and carefully put on his bright red clothes. He softly brushed his snowy white beard and neatly fixed his mustache. Then he looked at himself in the mirror, gave a small, happy nod, and smiled. "I'm ready," he whispered in his warm, gentle voice. When he walked into the workshop, the elves were already waiting for him. Colorful papers, shiny ribbons, and lovely toys covered the small tables. Together, they wrapped the gifts while humming cheerful little songs. Every present was wrapped with love, and every ribbon was tied with care. Then Santa stepped outside. He decorated his sleigh with twinkling lights and shiny bells. He placed sparkling ornaments on his reindeer's antlers and asked with a warm smile, "Are you ready, my friends?" The reindeer nodded happily, and their bells jingled with joyful sounds. Santa Claus climbed into his sleigh, and in a moment they lifted gently into the sky. They glided softly through the clouds. Far below, twinkling houses and sleeping towns sparkled like tiny stars, wrapped in peaceful dreams. They landed in a quiet little neighborhood. The children were outside, waiting with excitement. Santa Claus hugged them one by one, and joyful laughter filled the air. He gave each child a gift, wrapped with love. Eyes sparkled with wonder, and hearts were filled with happiness. Then he quietly entered the room of a sleeping child and gently placed the gift beside the bed. "Sweet dreams," he whispered softly. He stepped back outside and said goodbye to the children. As he rose up into the sky, the children waved happily to him. And so, on New Year's night, the journey continued across the sky like a fairy tale filled with love.